Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix personal hotspot not working problem on iPhone after iOS 26 update. So guys, if personal hotspot is not working on your iPhone after iOS 26 update, or it is grayed out like this and you are unable to turn it on or turn it off, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open settings on your device, and from here go to general, and from here tap on about, and from here check if there is any career updates available for you. So guys, check if there are any career updates, then you have to simply update it, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open your software, and after this you have to simply download and install the latest version of software if it is available. So guys, simply update it, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply scroll it below, and from here go to date and time and set your date and time from here. After this go back and tap on language and region, and from here tap on region and select your country or region correctly, and after this go back, and now you have to tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. After this go back and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset, and then reset network settings of your device for one time from here as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to open Spot app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.